Understanding blocks. In this lesson, we are going to teach you how blocks connect to each other and what the purpose of each block is and how to organize your workflow.
Okay, in this lesson we're going to be going over blocks. Blocks are basically the structure that holds all of the instructions for your Facebook bot. You can create multiple blocks and then connect them through answers that the user would input from one block to another. To create a block, it's pretty simple. You would just click Add Block, and we're going to call this block test block 2. You can also add a group, so we can call this one test group, and this is useful if you have multiple posts on a Facebook page and you want bots to respond differently to each one. You could use this. So you could set up, this would be for one particular post, and then you could set up another group for another post. And it'd be fairly organized if you did it that way. So you can keep all of your information in one group. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to show you how the blocks interact with each other. So in the test group, we're going to do, we'll call this one new block 1, and this one is going to be new block 2. Okay, so we're going to add a text element, and we're going to add it to new block 1, and we'll say hello everyone. I can't spell. And then we're going to add a button, and it'll just say click here. And now we're going to tell this bot that when someone clicks here, that we want them to go to this block here. So we're going to say go to new block 2. And then in new block 2, so new block 1, you've got hello everyone. When it clicks here, it goes to new block 2. And in new block 2, it's going to say congratulations. I can't type today. So it's going to say congratulations, you made it from block 1 to block 2. We're not going to add a button or anything. So congratulations, you made it from block 1 to block 2. Now what will happen is when you click in Facebook, it'll actually, you'll see the messenger. We'll go ahead and do that right now. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test this bot. The way that you test it is by clicking on either the link at the top, or you can hit test this chatbot. Now I've gone ahead and added click here to go to 1, which will take us to new block 1 in the welcome message. I did this because if you click test this bot, it would just display the welcome message, and there isn't anything that goes on afterwards. So what I'm going to do is we'll go ahead and we can either click here or here. We're going to click here. This is actually the link that you would use to paste into a web page or a group if you wanted to activate the bot. So there we go. It says, hi Anna Joan, nice to meet you. And then click here to go to 1. So click there, and it says hello everyone, and then you click, and then it'll say congratulations, you made it to block 1, from block 1 to block 2. And that's exactly what the bot was supposed to do. So that's blocks in a nutshell. You can see how they all connect together. It just makes it cleaner if you can include things in separate blocks if they're part of a different sequence, rather than trying to cram everything into one block, which you can actually do, but it gets kind of messy. And that's it for this lesson.